Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's dive in. Question: what is the primary advantage of software-defined networking (SDN) over traditional networking? Answer B. Centralized control and programmability. Question: which component in SDN architecture acts as the central controller? Answer C. SDN controller. Question: how does SDN improve network management? Answer C. via centralized control and automation. Question: which emerging technology complements SDN to enhance network security? Answer A. Network Function Virtualization (NFV). Question: in SDN, what is the role of the data plane? Answer B. Forward data packets. Question: which of the following best describes network slicing in 5G? Answer B. Logical partitioning of network resources. Question: what is a key benefit of integrating SDN with IoT? Answer B. Improved network automation and scalability. Question: which protocol is commonly used in SDN for communication between the controller and switches? Answer B. OpenFlow. Question: how does network virtualization differ from traditional networking? Answer B. it creates multiple virtual networks over shared hardware. Question: which emerging tech enables dynamic bandwidth allocation based on traffic demands? Answer B. SDN with traffic engineering. Question: what is the main goal of network programmability? Answer C. Dynamic and automated control. Question: which of the following is a challenge in deploying SDN? Answer D. Compatibility with existing hardware. Question: how does SDN contribute to cloud computing? Answer B. provides centralized control for resource allocation. Question: which emerging technology focuses on decoupling hardware from software? Answer B. NFV. Question: what is the significance of APIs in SDN? Answer B. enable communication between control and data planes. Question: which scenario best illustrates the use of SDN in data centers? Answer B. automated network provisioning and management. Question: how does SDN facilitate network security? Answer B. through centralized policy enforcement and quick updates. Question: which emerging technology enhances edge computing with flexible network management? Answer A. SDN. Question: what role does virtualization play in emerging networking tools? Answer B. Enables multiple virtual networks over physical infrastructure. Question. How can SDN help in disaster recovery scenarios? Answer B. Through rapid reconfiguration and automation. Question. Which emerging technology is critical for 5G network slicing? Answer A. SDN and NFV. Question. What is the role of analytics in emerging networking tools? Answer B. To provide insights for optimization and security. Question. Which of the following best describes the future direction of SDN? Answer B. Increased integration with AI and machine learning. Question. How does emerging networking technology impact data security? Answer B. Enables proactive threat detection and response. Question. Which technology supports real-time network traffic analysis? Answer A. SDN with analytics tools. Question. How does network automation benefit enterprise networks? Answer B. Enhances speed, reduces errors, and improves scalability. Question. Which emerging networking trend aims to reduce latency? Answer A. Edge computing with SDN. Question. What is the impact of SDN on traditional network hardware? Answer B. Allows hardware abstraction and flexibility. Question. How do emerging tools like NFV and SDN together enhance network agility? Answer B. Through dynamic resource allocation and flexible configurations. Question. What is the ultimate goal of integrating emerging networking technologies? Answer B. Automated, scalable, and secure networks. Thanks for watching. Comment your score and any suggestions below. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.